Well, this is the World Cup spin around your Cherokee finals. Mario's going to attempt this here. Let's see what he can do. Oh, he's going to get another attempt here. There we go. You know they make lift for those, right? That's a big hole. Ow! Recording!
That was a lucky mark. Yeah, you're up, dude. That was freaking. That was the softest landing I've ever had.
Oh, there he is.
That was actually fun.
Go all the way to that corner. Keep going. All right, hold on a second. Hold on, dude. Go for it! You're the daddy! He's gonna lose control and he's gonna fucking eat it hard. That's gonna be cool. No. You can't control that thing.
Yeah, you can steer. Yeah, I know. Not a bad steer.
Yeah, I wanna do that. You wanna go, Mario? Not yet. Go for it! Go!
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 Here it comes.
Nice. What the hell?
Come on! Oh,
Restart!
oh come on, reset yourself. You didn't bring it with you?
What a retard!
Oh, come on. Ow!
Go on, yeah!
Oh, shit!
Ow!
Oh, fuck.
Where'd you fall?
Dude, you fucking landed ass first in that big pile of that
I know. I can feel on my ass cheek. Where it comes out from under the trees, all of a sudden, just like spray right in my eyes. I'm like, fuck.
I hate that shit.
And you were like, fuck it, just go?
I just closed my eyes. I'm just like, whatever. I like try to peek, and it's like sand shooting in my eyes. Fuck. Let's go. Last one, I'm just like.
You getting tired yet? Yeah. Follow the footsteps, you'll be okay. Take a break when you get up there. You almost need one walking up that motherfucker.
I know.
Yeah, really. I get out there, I'm so fucking...
You tired?
Give me a second. I mean, I took it as a yes.
I need to do this run over here again. Try to go off these jumps.
Are those 2 jumps right there?
Yeah, that's a jump.
That's just for snowboarding. I think that's for snowboard.
I almost got it on my first run.
It's just kind of hard steering towards though, because the fucking hill is weird.
Here he comes.
Push it!
Oh, you better walk back up! Go!
Hold on.
No, got my ass cracked.
Alright, it's my turn.
Go!
What'd you say?
It's gonna be so funny if I hurt myself.
Yeah, it will be.
Will.
Don't worry, I know CPR.
Oh shit! Back to the other way. Hold on.
Oh shit.
Whoa! Let the run.
I'm kind of in the line of fire here.
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh yeah!
Stop.
Go! Go! Oh, come on!
He's sick.
You're wrapped his nuts around a fucking branch.
Ow!
Oh man.
I know that. Well, all the body is on the floor, isn't it? Jeez, I can't.